Hi guys, just showing you my interaction with support from Skydio. You can see here I let them know about the issue on the 22nd. Didn't hear back for many days. There was a holiday in there, understood. They got back to me on the 26th asking for some more info. Basically, they're asking me to upload some logs. They tell me how to do that. So I go in and I try. It did not work. So I show them what I'm having, what I'm experiencing. Then I make a video of me trying to upload it just to make sure that it's not me doing something crazy. But here I'm just trying to show them the video. Uploading a single flight. This drone only had one flight before it died and crashed. You can see that it says an upload failure. I try to upload it via cellular or via Wi-Fi. All logs or one log. There's only one log on the list, but nothing I can do can get the logs over to them. You can see here, this is just trying to do it through Wi-Fi now. So again, trying to do it through all logs, just trying to show all the different ways they try to get the logs up. But basically the app is broken when it comes to sending these logs for an interrupted flight, I think. So I think at this point we go back to the support conversation. And, here's where they tell me now I got to mail back my drone. Give me the RMA number, whatever. I got to send it back. So at this point I say, okay, well, do I need to send back the drone with the SD card? Because, I think all the info is really on an SD card. This, to me, is an expensive SD card. I don't want to send that on unnecessarily. The response to whether I need to send it back with the SD card is, oh, did you read the guidelines? It's not going to avoid wires, etc., etc. Like, it was as if we just started having a whole nother conversation at this point. Basically telling me even if I send it, they're not going to really cover it. And here, just again, telling them, hey, you just told me to ship it back, and now you're telling me you're not going to cover it if it has a wire. Anyway, kind of where it ends. This is why I'm making these videos, just so everybody can see how this is supported.